Looking for a cookware set that combines health, durability, and performance? The GreenPan Valencia Pro cookware set delivers all that and more. Featuring an 8, 9, 5, and 11 frypan, along with 2 and 3-quart saucepans, a 3-quart skillet, and a 5-quart casserole. All with lids. This set covers every cooking need. What sets it apart? Its diamond-infused Thermolon Minerals Pro ceramic nonstick coating, free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensures your meals stay toxin-free, even if you accidentally overheat the pans. I was skeptical at first, so I waited 18 months before sharing my experience. After nearly a year and a half of regular use, these pans still look and perform like new. The secret lies in the original diamond-infused coating, which not only offers impressive durability but also stands up to metal utensils without scratching. Plus, the Magneto Induction Bases guarantee even heating and excellent searing on any stovetop, including induction. I've noticed some stubborn oil residue after cooking at high temperatures, but following the care instructions, like avoiding sudden temperature changes and using wooden or silicone utensils, makes cleanup effortless. Over time, even that residue fades, keeping the pans looking fresh out of the box. What you get with the Valencia Pro set is a versatile, long-lasting cookware collection that's oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The durable glass lids let you keep an eye on your food without losing heat, and the hard anodized aluminum bodies resist scratches and wear. If you're ready to invest in cookware that truly supports healthier cooking and reliable performance, this set is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and see how it transforms your kitchen routine.